Let's look at 3 methods to polish your edges and some key things to remember.
After filing your side edges to your preferred bevel, it's crucial to polish them so they grip well and feel great on snow. You can choose either a diamond guide or a file guide to do this, whichever you prefer. There are 3 options when polishing your edges. You can do it dry, without lubrication, with your pre-mixed edge solution sprayed lightly on your entire edge, or you can put a tiny drop of side edge oil about every 5 to 10 centimeters along the edge and add 1 drop to the diamond. When you get to the polishing stage, work in full-length passes only. This is to remove the overlapping marks you created from filing and ensures you don't get what we call a wavy edge. When you switch from your 400 to your 600 grit diamond, you'll feel less resistance and hear less sound. This is confirmation that your edge is getting smoother. You can hear the difference here where the edge is polished compared to this section where it hasn't been polished. Now transition to your 1000 grit diamond if preferred. You also have the option to finish with either an elastic or ceramic stone for super sharp edges. Wipe your edges perfectly clean, and lastly, looking very closely at the edge, you should notice a nice even uniform color across its entire width and length. This is your visual cue that you're finished.